In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Planner. If you're working with multiple plans in Microsoft Planner, finding the one you need quickly can save a lot of time. Instead of scrolling through your list and searching manually, you can use the built-in search feature to jump straight to the right plan. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a simple and efficient way. To begin, make sure you're already in Microsoft Planner. Once you're on the main planner screen, go to the left-hand navigation area and click on My Plans. This section brings together the plans associated with your account, making it the best place to start when you want to look something up. If you've recently used several plans or you manage a lot of projects, this view helps keep everything organized in one place. After you open My Plans, look for the search icon. It's typically shown as a small magnifying glass, which is a common symbol for search in most apps and websites. Click on that search icon to activate the search field. This tells Planner that you want to search through your available plans rather than browse them manually. It's a quick step, but it makes a big difference when you need to move faster. Once the search field is active, type the name of the plan you're looking for. As you enter the plan name, Planner will begin narrowing down the results based on what you type. For the best results, try entering the exact plan name if you know it. If you only remember part of the name, that can still help bring up matching plans and make it easier to spot the one you need. This search method is especially useful when your Planner workspace contains many plans and the list becomes harder to scan visually. Instead of clicking through several sections, you can simply search and locate the plan more directly. It's one of those small features that can make everyday project management feel much smoother. If your search doesn't show the result right away, double check the spelling of the plan name and make sure you're searching from the My Plans area. Even a small typo can affect what appears in the results, and that's all it takes to search in Microsoft Planner. Open My Plans, click the search icon, and type the plan name you want to find. Once you get used to it, this becomes one of the fastest ways to navigate Planner and stay organized.